Welcome to a journey of self-discovery and healing where we explore the profound ability within each of us to foster our own healing and restore our body's natural energies. Today we look into the science and spirituality behind self-healing, unraveling how our internal states directly influence our physical health. This video is crafted to empower you with knowledge and practical tips to activate your inherent healing powers, effectively setting a foundation for lasting health and vitality. Self-healing refers to the body's intrinsic ability to repair damage and restore function. It is an ongoing process involving the replacement of old cells, the healing of tissues, and the elimination of toxins from the body. This capability is not limited to physical aspects. It also encompasses emotional and mental health, which are equally critical to our overall well-being. The process of self-healing begins with understanding the body's needs and the signals it sends, which often reflect deeper imbalances or needs for change. For example, persistent fatigue might signal the need for better sleep or nutrition, while anxiety could indicate unresolved emotional issues that need attention. By tuning into these signals and responding appropriately, we can guide our bodies toward better health. To harness your self-healing potential, start by creating a baseline of your health. Regular checkups, a diary of physical or emotional pain points, and noting how these affect your daily life can provide invaluable insights. This self-awareness is your first tool in activating the body's natural healing mechanisms. The mind's power to influence the body is both fascinating and profound. A positive mindset can significantly enhance your healing processes, primarily through the management of stress and the fostering of a positive internal environment. Stress is known to suppress the immune system and slow down healing. Conversely, positivity boosts your body's defense mechanisms and promotes recovery. The mind-body connection is pivotal in this respect. Our thoughts and emotions release various chemicals in the brain. Positive thoughts release growth hormones that promote cell regeneration, while negative thoughts do the opposite. For instance, studies have shown that people who practice mindfulness and maintain a hopeful outlook can lower their risk of chronic diseases and improve their quality of life. To cultivate a healing mindset, practice mindfulness or meditation regularly. These practices help in maintaining focus on the present moment and in cultivating an attitude of gratitude, which has been scientifically linked to better health outcomes. Additionally, visualization techniques where you picture your body healing and imagine your cells working perfectly can also reinforce your body's natural ability to heal itself. This mental imagery not only provides psychological comfort, but also physically stimulates the healing process. Energy, in the context of self-healing, pertains not just to physical vigor, but to a vital life force that flows through all living things. This concept, recognized in many traditional healing systems, suggests that our health is significantly influenced by the flow and balance of this energy within our body. Central to managing this energy is understanding its pathways and how it interacts with our physical and emotional states. Practices such as yoga, tai chi, and qigong emphasize the cultivation and balance of this energy, often termed as qi or prana. These practices involve movements and breathing techniques that help regulate the flow of energy, enhancing overall wellness and aiding in the prevention of disease. To engage with your healing energy, begin by incorporating simple breathing exercises into your daily routine. Deep, mindful breathing can help clear blockages and increase the flow of energy, facilitating better health and quicker recovery. Regular participation in the mentioned energy practices can not only boost your physical stamina, but also bring clarity and peace to your mind, creating a conducive environment for the body to repair and heal itself. The beliefs we hold about our health and abilities play a crucial role in the healing process. Positive beliefs act as catalysts for better health outcomes, while negative beliefs can impede our recovery. This psychological component is critical because it directly influences our behavior and physiological responses. Believing in your ability to heal and improve your health can lead to taking more proactive steps towards that goal. This includes adhering to beneficial health routines, making better nutritional choices, and maintaining regular physical activity. Each of these actions not only improves physical health, but also reinforces the belief in one's healing capabilities, creating a positive feedback loop. To cultivate a belief system that supports healing, start by setting small, achievable health goals. As you meet these goals, your confidence in your ability to influence your health will grow. Additionally, surround yourself with positive affirmations and reminders of your healing journey. Affirmations can help reshape thinking patterns, replacing negative thoughts that may hinder healing with positive ones that promote recovery and well-being. A well-balanced diet is foundational to any healing process. The foods we consume play a critical role in nurturing the body, boosting the immune system, and providing the energy needed for recovery. Optimal nutrition supports the body's various functions and can significantly influence recovery speeds and overall health. For effective self-healing, focus on incorporating a variety of nutrient-rich foods into your diet. This includes a wide range of vegetables and fruits, which are high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help combat inflammation and support cellular health. Whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats are also essential, as they provide the necessary components for body repair and energy maintenance. Incorporating specific nutrients can also aid specific aspects of healing. For example, omega-3 fatty acids found in fish and flax seeds are known for their anti-inhibitor properties. Whole foods rich in vitamin C, like oranges and strawberries, are important for skin and tissue repair. It's also beneficial to stay hydrated, as water plays a key role in every healing process within the body. Physical activity is another pillar of self-healing. Regular exercise not only strengthens the body, but also improves circulation, which is vital for delivering nutrients to tissues and removing waste products. This can help speed up the healing process and boost overall health. Exercise doesn't always have to be intense. Gentle activities like walking, swimming, or cycling can be immensely beneficial, especially if done consistently. Such activities enhance cardiovascular health, increase stamina, and reduce stress, all of which are important for maintaining and restoring health. Starting with small, manageable amounts of physical activity can be effective. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Listening to your body is crucial. Always ensure that the type and amount of activity is suitable for your current health condition, and gradually increase the intensity as your fitness improves. Rest is an essential component of the healing process. It allows the body to repair and regenerate, strengthening the immune system and replenishing energy levels. Quality sleep in particular is critical because much of the body's healing and growth occurs during deep sleep stages. To optimize the restorative power of sleep, establish a consistent bedtime routine. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Creating a conducive sleep environment is also important. Ensure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Avoiding stimulants such as caffeine and electronic devices before bedtime can further improve sleep quality. In addition to nightly sleep, incorporating periods of rest throughout your day can help maintain your energy levels and reduce stress. Short, scheduled breaks during the day where you step away from stressful activities can refresh your mind and body. Practices like deep breathing or gentle stretching during these breaks can enhance relaxation and support your body's natural healing abilities. Emotional health is deeply intertwined with physical health. Stress, anxiety, and unresolved emotions can create physical symptoms and impede the healing process. Therefore, managing your emotional well-being is crucial for effective self-healing. Practices such as meditation, mindfulness, and journaling can be powerful tools for emotional cleansing. They help in acknowledging and processing emotions, which can lead to significant reductions in stress and anxiety. Regular practice of these techniques can enhance mental clarity and emotional resilience, creating a more balanced internal environment conducive to healing. Establishing a support network of friends or family members, or even seeking professional help from a counselor or therapist, can provide emotional support and guidance. Expressing your feelings and experiences openly can alleviate emotional burdens and foster a sense of groups and belonging, further aiding in emotional and physical healing. Exploring alternative therapies can enhance your self-healing journey by incorporating diverse healing practices that complement conventional medical treatments. These therapies often focus on balancing the body's energy, reducing stress, and promoting overall well-being, aligning perfectly with the holistic approach to health. Acupuncture, for instance, is a technique that involves inserting fine needles into specific points on the body to stimulate healing and pain relief. It is widely recognized for its effectiveness in treating chronic pain and stress symptoms. Similarly, massage therapy can help reduce muscle tension, improve circulation, and boost immune function, all of which are beneficial for healing. Reflexology, another alternative therapy, involves applying pressure to certain points on the feet, hands, and ears. This practice is based on the belief that these points correspond to different body organs and systems, and stimulating them can have positive health effects, including enhanced energy flow and better organ function. Incorporating any of these therapies into your routine should be done in consultation with a healthcare provider to ensure they complement your health needs and current treatments. Many find that these therapies provide significant relief and support to their healing processes, making them a valuable addition to their health regimen. The environment around you can significantly influence your healing process. Creating a space that promotes peace and well-being can help reinforce your body's natural ability to heal. This involves more than just physical space. It encompasses your social interactions and the general atmosphere you cultivate in your daily life. At home, aim to create a calm and restorative environment. This can be achieved by keeping your living space clean and organized, reducing clutter, and incorporating elements of nature like plants or natural light, which have been shown to reduce stress and improve mood. Socially, seek to surround yourself with supportive and positive individuals who encourage your wellness journey. A positive social environment can provide emotional uplifts, reduce stress, and foster a sense of belonging and purpose, all of which are conducive to healing. Consider the use of aromatherapy or soothing music to enhance the ambience of your home. Scents like lavender or eucalyptus can promote relaxation, while soft rhythmic music can help reduce anxiety and stress, aiding in emotional and physical recovery. The journey to self-healing is a comprehensive one, encompassing the mind, body, and the environment in which we live. Each element we've explored, from the power of belief to the benefits of alternative therapies, plays a vital role in nurturing our inherent ability to heal and flourish. By adopting a holistic approach, you can unlock your body's full potential for health and well-being. If this guide has enlightened your path to recovery and personal growth, consider subscribing for more insights and tips. Remember, the power to heal lies within you. It's just a matter of tapping into it. Thank you for joining this journey, and here's to your health transformed and renewed.